welcome on board.
Thank you.
You're the left side all the way there.
Oh my goodness. I'm kind of scared. So we're getting ready to go kayaking. We're running a little late. I've been eating some oatmeal on the way, but my stomach hurts. So I think I'm done eating on this. I'm excited to go kayaking though. This will be my second time going. Of course, my first time in Aruba though. This is really nice, so people can just book to stay here.
Yep.
Nice.
And they have all the water sports. They have cabins. You can have dinner on the cabin. You see, they have a kayak.
So Venezuela is how far down?
18 miles.
Wow, I didn't realize it was.
It's so close. But the wind and of course the fine sea creates a haze. You can't see it. So the conditions have to be even less windy in order for us to see it. So we don't see it. I think once every 3 months we see it. Then the conditions are just ideal for you to see. Yeah, they throw themselves off.
They throw themselves off.
Yeah.
They roll or something. Do they roll?
Yeah, correct.
Wow.
These are the bigger ones. Not the smallest, not the biggest ones, but
Do they claw? Do they have
the bigger ones have a claw. Let me see if I can find a smaller one. So then Ashley can hold it.
Oh no, I'm okay.
I'm gonna grab one.
No,
Yeah, go
I'm
ahead.
okay.
They don't do nothing. Maybe a small glow. They don't like the sun.
There
They
you go.
typically come out at the end of the day, the scavenger hunters. So they eat almost anything.
That's just a shell.
Yeah,
You shedded it. Then you
Yeah,
shed
so
it.
basically, let me show. So they get out. I found this one 3 weeks ago. I put it there and it's still. So they get out on the back of, they crawl out. So when they get bigger, they crawl out, they leave the shell behind. The sun will bleach the shell and it becomes whiter.
Wow.
So this is out of the sun, so it's not as white. This is completely intact. So with all his claws, you see the spaces for the eyes and
Wow.
all his tentacles.
That's amazing.
It's very fragile, so if I push it too hard, it will break.
Yeah.
There is a crab right there. It blends in with the rock.
Wow, things are bad.
Oh yeah, they're fast.
Floyd Mayweather's house that he rents out for what? Did he say 10,000 a night?
10,000 a night.
10,000 a night, and usually there are about anywhere between 10 to 20 people that will stay in there.
So I never visited personally when it was open. I did have some guests who told me how it was. They were that old. They
Wow.
actually visited it. snorkeling.
Oh, I see it.
You guys didn't notice.
Well, I'm glad you said it's something, because I would have been like, oh my God, there's a shark.
Yeah, how come you didn't ask about sharks yet? Good question. If you guys want to see sharks,
No, we're okay.
you know where to find them? Wrong island.
We're on the wrong island.
We're having a really good time out here. Check out this view. We're back at Origin Cafe. We're hungry and they have a, what is it, Colombian? They have a Colombian meal special today. So we're gonna try the vegan Colombian food that they have here. So we're pretty excited to try it. It's really good. We are heading to go blow karting. I've never gone blow karting. Don't really know much about it, but we're gonna find out today. We're following this truck. It's taking us to the location to go blow karting. We're out in the wilderness. The roads are bumpy.
You're a pro. Eagle Beach.
I'm at Eagle Beach. It's nice out here. Very peaceful, very quiet. We're at the dock and we're getting on a boat that's going to take us to the submarine, I believe. Oh my goodness. Woo.
Excuse me?
Woo.
Queremos ver hiking contigo the hike of the welcome on board. Thank you. The left side all the way down.
Oh my goodness.
You're on a submarine.
I'm scared.
Don't be scared.
Right now, everybody out. Gracias. Y todo mundo afuera. Adiós. Yes, my friends, this is it. This is the deepest we're going to go today, 137 feet. And we came all the way down here to see nothing. Take a look out there, my friend. Nothing. Enjoy it. And take a picture, because you don't know when's the next time you're going to see nothing again.
You want something to eat, my man? I'll try you one more. There you go.
They all coming over like, come feed me. Aww. What is this? He wants some more. He like,
I gotta get your friends some.
he like, give me some more. Look at them teeth. Woo! I'm kind of scared. I'm coming. it. I'm getting better. I'm getting better at it. What should we name him or her? I'm gonna name him John. John the Third. Yo, buddy. Too scared to get it out of your hand. Is this ATV or UTV?
UTV.
We're on a UTV